In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of the Hubstaff app. Now, whether you're using Hubstaff for freelance work, managing a team, or just keeping track of your own projects, it's crucial to know how to securely log out once you're done. Logging out helps you protect your account and maintain privacy, especially on shared or public devices. So, let's dive in and guide you through this simple process step by step. First, you need to launch the Hubstaff desktop app. It's an icon that might be nestled among your other applications, either in your Start menu or your Application folder, depending on your operating system. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. If you're unfamiliar with Hubstaff, it's a time-tracking tool that offers various features for productivity measurement. Keeping this app running while working helps gather crucial work data, but when it's time to log off, here's what you do. Next, within the Hubstaff app, head towards the lower right corner of your screen. There, you're looking for the Hubstaff icon. Clicking on this icon opens up a range of menu options. It's important to familiarize yourself with these options, as they can assist with various tasks, from adjusting your settings to accessing support. However, for today, we're focusing solely on logging out. After you've clicked the Hubstaff icon, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the app. You'll find another icon here that opens a drop-down menu when clicked. This is typically represented by an avatar or profile picture symbol. Clicking on this profile icon will reveal several account-related options. While this menu gives you access to a few settings and user-specific functionalities, our target here is the Sign Out option, so let's move on to that. Finally, within this drop-down menu, you will find the Sign Out option. Selecting this will log you out of the Hubstaff app. This step is definitive in ensuring that your account is secured upon leaving the computer, especially if you're sharing this device with others. You won't be able to access account-specific features until you log back in, which means your data remains safe and secure. It is always a good practice to log out at the end of your work session, even if you're on a personal device, just to maintain the habit of safeguarding your information. And that's it. You are now logged out of the Hubstaff app. This straightforward process is crucial for maintaining security and ensuring that your work data remains protected. I hope this guide was clear and that you now feel confident about logging out of the Hubstaff app whenever you need to. Thank you for tuning in today, and until next time, have a great day and stay productive.